Alrighty, so with camping, I've always loved having an awning. On the old Jeep, I had a 2.5 meter wide by 2 meter, I went out 2 meters from the car. Already loved it. Only issue was when you got the swags going from the car out, the last bit of the swag always was a bit open. It just wasn't quite big enough. When I sold the ute, I left that awning on there. It was about 10 years old. It was pretty knackered. When we got the MUX, didn't have an awning on it. I ended up scoring a June awning. Great awning, but it's 2 meters by 2 meters. A little bit small. So I've wanted to go to a 2.5 by 2.5 meter awning. Not a fan of Kings, not going there. So I thought, oh, I'll wait and I'll try and get, I like the XTM ones, they look pretty good. But that was till today. Went down to a local Repcol store and they had a manager special. So I've scored a Maxitrac, Maxitrac, I think it is, 2.5 by 2.5 awning for $89. Now, you can barely get that on Marketplace, secondhand. So I figured, why not give it a go? Absolute worst case, if I don't like it for any reason, I'll sell it, get my money back. They're normally like 150 or something, so I can easily get, I even get $60 for it, $20 trial, I'm happy. The June one's gonna go on the caravan as a bit of a fly topper for the bed ends, so I'll get a second one of those. But yeah, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Be very careful not to cut the awning, usually that would suck. Let's cut this down. Put the knife away so I don't cut my awning. Alright. There we go. Now the one thing I did notice, I'll see if I can show you guys in here. June does it this way too as well from memory. Was the one thing I didn't like about the Maxitrac, which is just saying I like it, otherwise it's such a minor thing, is the arms are actually, they don't have zips. And in here the poles are on top of each other. My old Featherlight, the poles are on the same row, so it's a little bit more compact. Canvas, it's your usual cheap canvas. I don't know, I'm pretty happy. But bring you down here a little bit more. This is actually the one thing I don't like, is these are the pull style straps. You loop it through, Velcro in. The old Featherlight had a clip. Do prefer that, but you know, it's a minor things. I don't know. Don't think it's even. Alright, it comes brackets. Let's have a look. Slide back a little bit. Couple of, they're pretty good heavy duty brackets. So, couple of brackets. Pegs, like they're not big, but they're not as flimsy as I expected. Comes with them bolts, some nice heavy duty bolts, which is good. Like, all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. It looks pretty good. These will actually work really well, I think, when I go to put the awnings in the caravan, because I can mount that inside and that shouldn't small things there. But no, first impressions, ropes, look, it looks pretty good. Let's hope it works. Alright, next, let's go camping. Yeah, new swag, new awning. Need to do a camping trip.